Okay, hey guys, my name is Yemi and I'm with the Posit team for the winter 2012 semester. Now, Posit stands for a portable open source information tool, and it's actually an Android app that's totally open source, and its main functionality involves getting and storing information and syncing that data to a central server. And now a unit of Posit information is known as a find. So you either create finds or store finds or view finds, and that's really the idea behind Posit. Also, I should mention that Posit is part of the humanitarian free and open source software project, and you can find more information about that at hfoss.org. That's hfoss.org. So the added functionality I'm going to be introducing today is the barcode option, and what that means is that it lets you Posit now. I mean, lets you create a find, and not only just create that find, but encoded as a QR code. Now, a QR code is known as a quick response code. And before we say anything else, I'll just go ahead and demonstrate it right here. I'm actually using Droid at screen to uh, show you what Posit looks like. So I'll just get into Posit mode. Oh, yeah, I'll get back to this. So this is the Posit main screen. And you can see the normal Posit screen has an option to add a find or view a find. Now, barcodes and the QR codes are supposed to help you transfer Posit information faster. So if you've ever had a BlackBerry Messenger before, or some other barcode uh, application, you can create a barcode and you can just use another device to read that barcode, and you can transfer that information really quickly. So I'll quickly go ahead and show you how to create information and encode it as a barcode in Posit now. So just go here and click Add Find. That will take you to the iFind page or the view, and you have the opportunity to add normally just the name and the description, and it takes all that other information and it saves it if you're just going to create a normal find. But this time we're trying to actually you know um, create a find based on a barcode. So I'll go in here and just for just today I'll just type test code. uh, just give it a name and description, new QR code, and I'll save that. Now, if that worked correctly, I should be able to find that test code, test code 5 or 7. I'll find out when I go into the view finds. Find that new find and find it with a barcode attached to it. So I'll go to the view finds menu and open test code 7, which is what I probably added. And now you have the option in Posit to not just view the find that you created, but to actually view the barcode that's attached to it. So I'll click view barcode here, and now it displays the QR code for that find. Okay, so let's say we want to actually go in the opposite direction and we actually want to add a find based on a QR code that we've created, or based on a QR code someone else has created. This is the scenario. You have created a find and you've made a barcode from that find on your system, and someone else wants to read that find from your device so that they can store it. Just like sending an SMS or sending information from phone to phone. All they have to do would be to go back to the Add Finds menu. And now in the menu options, there's an option to scan barcode. And what this does is that it opens a viewfinder that lets you focus the camera of your phone on an added barcode and then scan it. So, okay, so I'll quickly demonstrate the viewfinder aspect of scanning the barcode and being able to translate it into Posit. So what I have here on my screen is a sample barcode that was created in Posit and that I did a screenshot of and put on my system just for the purposes of this. Uh, so I'll go to scan barcode, and it should open up my viewfinder with the camera in place. It's in landscape mode, but you really can't see that, and it still looks like portrait, but it's actually in landscape mode. And now just focus this on the barcode, and it does work pretty quickly. It analyzes it, and if everything works correctly, it translates that into a code. So it translates it translates the code into a find, and then we have the added find. The code on the left actually means that inside the find is the name, Yemi QR code, and the description, test script, and all the other information. I can then go ahead and save that, and then it shows that a scan find has been added. If I want to confirm it, I can go into view finds, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and there it is at the bottom, Yemi QR code, just under the test code 7 we created. And if I open Yemi QR code, now that find belongs to us. And you can also, if you wanted to show someone else or transfer that same information over to someone, you can just go view barcode, and there's the barcode that we just created on the left, now on our Posit device. So that's basically how add-in finds from barcode or QR code has been created in Posit works. And I've shown you previously how to create a find and have a barcode attached to it once it's created. So I hope this has been helpful, and have a good day.